Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text in GIMP. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the tool settings, and here we have something like text tool. You need to click on this one option or use T shortcut from your keyboard, and then you need to click somewhere in the background where you want to add a text. For example, I click somewhere here and then I change the font. For example, I will type here Arial, and I will select here Arial Bold, but of course you can change font to another one. I will increase size of selected text. So for example, I type here 150 and then I press enter and then I press escape. Now I type here a text that I want to use. For example, simple text, and how you see text has been successfully added to a background. Of course, you can change position of this text by changing position of this square. Everything depends on your preferences. And remember that you can always increase or decrease size of this text, everything based on your project. And here you can modify color of the text. You can set here red, for example. So I set here red and I click OK button. And how you see color has been successfully changed. So it's all for today. If I helped you to modify text and add it to your background, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.